Good morning. It's raining quite hard outside. I was actually quite proud of myself. I woke up very early today to go to the gym. I go to a boxing gym nearby, and now I've gotten ready for the day. There is a Manolo sample sale on 33rd Street, somewhere on 33rd Street that I want to check out, and I'm hoping that with the rain there's not a lot of people there, but I doubt. I'm pretty sure the line's gonna be long, but luckily it's like 70 degrees outside, so I think it'll be okay if I stood in the line for a while. I'm actually thinking about walking there. It's about an hour walk from where I live, a little bit on the further side, but I think I'll manage. But maybe if not, halfway through I'll hop in a subway. We'll see.
Pretty good. Bailey, does Bailey want a treat? Sit. Good girl. Good morning. Let's see. Good girl. We'll have one more. Okay. Oh, look at you. Not scared of the camera anymore, huh? No. Okay. Okay, we'll stop. Still stare at the camera, huh, Bailey? Okay. No worries.
I am back. My mission of going to the Manolo sample sale failed completely. So basically I walked, it took me about an hour to get there. It started pouring rain in the middle of my walk. I mean, my pants were soaked wet, but luckily it wasn't very cold, and it wasn't too windy, so it was fine. I mean, I really didn't mind it that much, but when I got there and I see this relatively short line in front of the store, or I think it was a store, and oh, my shopping bag just fell off, whatever, you can just stay down there. And basically I was like, oh, this is not that bad. This is just, maybe there were 30 people in line. I was like, oh, great. So I get to the end of the line and the lady looks at me, she goes, oh no, the line is back there. So I continue walking, and basically I don't even know what I don't know why. I guess it's probably just traffic and like pedestrians walking on the sidewalks. They broke the line into, at least that I know of, 3 sections. So the lady tells me to keep going, keep walking. The back of line is somewhere down the road. So I keep walking and I come into this car parking lot where there's just like snake lane of people waiting in line. And I get to the end of the line. I was like, okay, this is still not too bad. At this point, I'm estimating maybe an hour to 2 hours of wait. And I was like, okay, I have nothing else to do. I'm just gonna stand here and it's cool. And then I get to the end of the line and the lady looks at me and she goes, no, the end of the line is back there. At this point, I don't even know where back there is anymore. And frankly, I think I was already getting frustrated at this point, and I walked out of the parking lot and I see this mob of people coming towards me because I guess somebody released a portion of the people in the 3rd section of the line. So they were walking towards me, and it's just a sea of people. And at this point I was just like, you know what, forget it. And I think at this point I will have to wait for at least 3 hours. And even if I waited 3 hours and I got in there, I bet it's a mess in there. And I am not one of those people who can like shift through messes to find things. I just can't do it. I do have a bag of stuff I wanted to show you guys very, very quickly, that I got from Nordstrom Rack and Scotch and Soda. So I don't think I need to try these on because they're kind of plain and boring. I got this, boy, I don't know how far I'm gonna have to lean back, but I basically got this like giant Adidas crew neck. I mean, this is a men's XL. It's super soft. I think it's super long on me. It's about to hit my knee, and I just feel like when I come home, I just want to be comfortable, and I feel like as I get closer to the winter time, this will be perfect for me to just lounge around the house in, or even to like throw it out on and then put on a puffer jack to go walk the dogs. I also got this short cardigan. I'm not the biggest fan of cardigans. I hate how it makes me look such like a grandma. I don't know what it is about me in cardigans, but every time I put it on, I'm just like, I'm grandma. And, you know, for the most of the times, I don't really enjoy that look, so I don't rarely do wear cardigans, but I did end up picking up this. This is actually a crop top. It cuts about at the waistline. I don't know if you can tell from on the camera, but and I'm sorry if you hear sniffling, I have allergies. I'm not sick. It's from Frame, and it was originally $428. I got it for $135, which I thought was a pretty good deal. But it crops at the waist, so it does not look grandma, but it does. I think will be a good transition piece for the fall, because literally today the weather just went below 70, so fall is here. So that's what I got at Nordstrom Rack. And then I went to, well, I was just walking home, honestly. I didn't want to buy anything else, but I looked at the Scotch and Soda shopping window, and I saw this bomber jacket, and I just love the pattern. So I popped in, tried it on, and then decided to get it. It looks like this. Yeah, that's a lot of pattern for New York City. But I thought, you know, Maybe it's because I lived in California a couple of years. Maybe the color patterns there have inspired me to not wear black all the time. So just, I don't know, I really like this pattern, so I decided to get it. Might regret in a couple of days, but at least the return policy is 30 days. And apparently it's reversible, so you can wear it on this other side, which is like a green color. But honestly, I don't know if I will. I think I'm just gonna, at least for this fall, it's gonna stay in this, on this floral side. And then I'm just getting a crop top. You can never have enough crop top t-shirts. Just very, very basic. And then picked up a shirt for Nathaniel. He loves Scotch and soda. He's the one that got me addicted to Scotch and soda. Just looks like it's probably a little bit lighter, brighter on the camera for some reason, but it's quite thick material, so I think it'll be a good fall transition piece as well. And he just ripped one of his Scotch and soda shirts, so I thought this could replace that one.
Garrett. You still scared of the camera? Oh, good job. You want another one? You want another carrot? I bought her this bong or Kong. I'm gonna fill it with these peanut pretzels and then see if she can dig them out. There she is. Oh, still a little camera shy. Okay, not sure if I did this right, but it's filled in. I'm gonna give it to her as a reward for being so good at the groomers. Let's see. Are you getting it? Oh, she's getting it. You can do it, Bailey. There you go. Good girl. Oh, good job. Oh, so cute. There's still more, monkey. There's more in there. There's more. Oh, good job. Cheers, Nady.